Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browser YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how you can add an actual cut in Blender. Okay, you split a face in Blender, you cut it. Okay, I'll show you how you can do it in this video. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to subscribe to this tutorial, to this YouTube channel. And now let's jump right into the video. So let me show you something that I learned and it's super helpful, and I decided to create a tutorial for you. So if you want to, let's go Control Tab, and now let's go in edit mode, and now let's press 1, and here we want to connect these two vertices. But what I used to do in the past, I used to press that's what I would do if I wanted to create two vertices. I would press F, which is not correct. Now you don't have two faces, you still have one. I was struggling very hard, but then I learned, in fact, you have to press a different button, which is, okay, to face to connect, press J. Okay, now if you go to face 3, you have to face, and this saved me a lot of time and really changed my life. Okay, I'm exaggerating, I know, but really helped me a lot. Okay, I like when I'm learning something, and this can improve my workflow, and I can work faster in Blender, and I just, the overall experience of learning something and then doing certain things in a different way gives you a certain pleasure. So yeah, just learn, I think. But I hope, guys, this video helped you. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.